Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata biko ya iji maka ya bịa bụ maka our brother bụ Jpac chief comedy Okwayon one of Facebook maka na o were interview nke ọ gara grant na mbọsị a ihe ọkọ nọ n'ebe ahụ so ịmago mụ a watchcha ha the thing wee sị ka nwetakwa nele ya unu maka na ntị oge ka watch the thing ma ihe n'inche ọkọ then ihe gbasara ya na former ex-girlfriend ya that is onye nke ọchị nụ before ihe nke ọ nụrụ anụ kịta ihe o je kọọ kpalikwuo ma ụmụ nwaanyị n'incha n'ebe ụmụ nwaanyị n'inche ho do anyị amagori azụ onye na-akọva ava too much mana ka anyị ga-egoda oge ntị n'ihe o nwere ike ikwu maka ya biko echefukwana ka click like button share comment ma subscribe maka na o wee ka ọ dị n'iko ị ga-echechere ya n'incha we have to click like button biko mee gịnị subscribe gwa gịnị
He went to a podcast that he's supposed to concentrate and do his podcast, but he eventually insulted every woman in that podcast that interviewed him. What later happened? He started insulting those women that how can I communicate with a 50-year-old woman in America to marry her? Now, listen to me, you women that was busy interviewing that ewu that has no respect for any woman. I wonder the kind of women that I will sit down and support somebody like Jpac. Jpac came out online and discredit, disvalue, dismayed ex-girlfriend here. First girlfriend, Jpac award the first girlfriend. Second girlfriend, Jpac award the second girlfriend. He went to Ya Baba podcast. Bam. Buto, this girl, Buto. There is no respect whatsoever that will come out from this man called Jpac. Now, they ask you a simple question. You look into their eyes and call them all old women because all of them are of age. And it's quite unfortunate that you are saying this and they are not reasoning with their sense of belonging. Don't forget, people has been calling me for podcasts. I said no, because that is not the bone of contention. My bone of contention here is to make sure that I open people's eyes where you are. When you normally call me, you are if the bubago in Ashamanti oge, hey queen, and we might take up on because him I got in a bubago chago. You that was busy asking me to borrow you 12 million. Sorry, 10 million, then you pay me 12 million in return. All the one I say when the apple goes on more, the book goes on more, books on more so but so when before you even started talking to me, I've been married years before you start even talking about marriage. So what are you talking that did you confess or did you prophesy love? Before you talk to me, you cannot talk to me without even shivering. So the greatest problem now is that you will not forget the impact, the damage I have created in your life. You even planning how you assassin to assassinate me. Yes, you and ex-convicts, Governor Onyoshi. So I'm not surprised when you went there, you start talking rubbish because the pain that I have given you will take you years. Even because I expose people that you married a wife that is a prostitute, that you met her in club. That's why you keep lamenting to deceive people in the wrong narrative that you met your wife, that your wife gave you a tough time. Is a lie. Your wife, you met your wife in the club. Another man you pay for the man to for your wife to return the money. Which I'm also gonna show it here that you met your wife in the Jpac. Listen, this is the so-called wife that gave you tough time. A girl who had a fan base where she naked and prostitute her life. Watch this video. This is your wife, your so-called wife, where she's busy nakeding herself, people paying her for her to show her private part. Stop deceiving people in the name of you want to defend something that you know that you are lying. Stop defending her shawe loro. Own up to it. You a man. So don't come on podcast to show a wrong narrative that your wife is you, that your wife gave you a tough time. Shower. You picked her up in a club. She did not give you no tough time. Now let me go back to what you were saying. Let's listen to your podcast where you attended podcasts and what you are doing. The volume that I gave to you is hard for you to forget. Listen.
Speaking of your wife, she's going to see this video, so I want you to give her a shout out, say something, tell Oh, my sweet queen. So 50 years old. Love has no age and boundary. Professing love to a woman in America, my boss in China. Right. So why would I profess love to her? That one is when you go to a human, there and take off more. Men don't come. We do the change, don't come. We got the road, and I can the neighbor don't come. I can wonder the full of pop.
Now, you guys have had it. I'm waiting for the full interview to come out. You look into their eyes and call them old women, because I'm sure majority of them are not married. I'm sure they are looking for love. But let me tell you, Jpac, in your entire existence, in your entire existence, I know the impact that I have deposited in your life. I'm the pain, I'm the agony, I'm the sleepless night you pass through for exposing your atrocity. Let me tell you, I am the wrong woman you will mess with. I'm not like your exes that you came out to war. I'm not like your exes that you disrespected who they are. I'm not like your exes that you open mouth and told me how they are poor in performance in the bed. I am not that kind of woman. I'm a woman that will match you fire to fire, bone to bone, breezes to breezes. And I'm a lending overnight brothers and sisters. I will match you fire to fire, wall to wall. Because I'm the kind of man you are. A man that does not have respect for any single person. I am the only woman that will match you fire to fire, brimstone to brimstone. I see a lot of people having compassion for you, that Ogechi is fighting you, Ogechi want to bring down your thing. It's only people that don't have spiritual eyes to know that you're a demon. It's only people that don't have open eyes to know that you don't value anything. You're a self-centered person. You betray people. You tell on other people's story to get favor from people. I am not that kind. I want your ex Hebrew like everywhere to destroy them. You cannot intimidate me. You can only intimidate some useless women who are standing there saying that, okay, you know, those are the kind of wives, or those are the kind of person you marry. Not Ogechi. I am a woman. I'm an independent woman. I'm a woman who has made it before I got married. None of your type will come out to intimidate me. Look at how you went for show. I'm waiting for that podcast to come out, because any day that something happen will be the day that I will destroy you. Any product that give you an ambassadorship is calling for a doom. I have to be honest with you. So whoever that pretend to love you to do free commercial, can't you see that I have given people free commercial for no reason? So now listen, and listen very attentively. I will match you fire to fire. Agbagi, let me tell you. I am like a parasite crawling under your skin, sucking your blood raw. You can never forget me easily. You can never forget things about me. So that is why you go everywhere mentioning Ogechi. You calling me a 50-year-old woman. Jpac, because I had my children on time. They grew. I'm asking you, a man who does not have respect for disabled children, you molest disabled children and you castigate them. A man who volunteered himself to go and use his private part to do prostitution in the name of Agon and Akoya. A man who does not have a man who joined a group, a man who is a member of where they lure women into prostitution. A man who goes on the street molesting, calling different women a shower and end up marrying a shower. What kind of a man are you? Tell me what to be joyful about. Anything. A man who cannot even buy spray. All your girlfriends are confessing the same thing that you stink, that you push. Is a man that is talking. A man who beg for another man to feed him is calling himself a dogu. There is nothing to be proud of you. A man who can sit down and tuna a man who worship his fellow man, who worship his fellow men like a man who does not have anything tangible. He's doing that to hustle and cook up lies against people and make up stories against people. Guys, share this video. More are coming. Love you. Thank you for following this page. Follow this page and share the video. Thank you. Remain loved. And I love you guys as well.